Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying ports. This determines the cable or adapter you need. Locate the Surface's USB-C, mini display port, or Surface Connect. Then, inspect the monitor for HDMI, display port, or USB-C input. Once you know both sides, choose a direct cable or an active adapter. Passive dongles can fail. Make sure both devices are powered. Plug the Surface and the monitor into power. Also set the monitor to the matching input. This initial alignment prevents wasted connections and speeds up the next steps. You now connect the cable. Firmly insert the USB-C, HDMI, or display port cable, or attach the Surface Connect dock if using it. If your adapter is active, plug it between Surface and monitor to translate signals. Once connected, wake the Surface. Press Windows key plus P to select duplicate or extend for immediate results. For fine control, open Settings, System, Display, detect displays, arrange their positions, and set the resolution and scale for each monitor, so text and UI are sharp and sized correctly. You finish by optimizing display settings, set refresh rate and color profile, and confirm scaling looks correct. If the monitor stays blank, first cycle the cable and switch the monitor input, then test the cable or adapter with another device to isolate the fault. Make sure graphics drivers and monitor firmware are up to date. These fixes resolve many issues. If using a dock, power cycle the dock, monitor, and Surface. Persisting problems often point to a faulty adapter, so try a known good cable or an active converter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.